In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to perfect your base routine. I have tried so many different makeup techniques and I'm going to share with you all my tips and tricks on how to make your makeup last and look great in photos. I also want to share with you guys some hero products along with their sidekicks. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, please keep watching. Okay, so to get the perfect base, we need to prep our skin. I cannot stress to you how important skin prep is if you want to create the perfect base. I'm going to go in with a classic skincare product from Lancome. This is the Advanced Genifique Serum. I really like this for morning and night. This serum actually has pre and probiotics in here, so it is amazing at calming and soothing the skin. If I slap on too much moisturizer or not enough moisturizer, I find that my foundation doesn't last as well throughout the day. Next, I'm going to go in with a classic tried and true product. This is the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. A lot of other moisturizers, as soon as you put it in, it's kind of like, where is the moisture gone? But this literally leaves your skin feeling hydrated for 24 hours, which is crazy. The second hack that I have for you guys, if you want your makeup to last all night long, is to use a setting spray throughout your makeup process. This hack I actually learned from so many celebrity makeup artists. They use a setting spray like the Urban Decay All Nighter and they literally spray it on all over the skin before you even apply on the foundation, and that helps your foundation last throughout the day. And especially if you're like me and you have oily skin, this kind of creates like a little barrier for the oils to not come out so quickly. The next non-negotiable step is a primer. I'm going to go in with the YSL Touche Éclat primer. This has like golden particles in here, so it gives a really nice radiant glow, but it's actually a blurring primer, so it's amazing if you have large pores. Kind of like smooths everything out, and I noticed when you use a primer like this, your foundation goes on a lot more smooth. Okay, now let's get into the foundation, because this is probably the most important step if you want a flawless looking base. As you can see, I do not have perfect skin. I literally have so many breakouts over here right now. I have a lot of pigmentation, acne scarring, so I need a foundation that's going to give me good coverage but also can deal with my oily skin and also look great in photos. So the hero of this video has to be the YSL All Hours foundation. This is my perfect finish of foundation because it's kind of like a luminous matte. You can see here it literally gives amazing coverage, so it's going to cover up all my blemishes. So what I like to do is I like to dab the foundation on the back of my hand, and then I just evenly distribute the foundation all over my skin so that there's a little bit everywhere. This is probably the equivalent to like 1.5 pumps of foundation. Oh, look at this color match as well. It's literally bang on. Okay, now I know this is gonna sound crazy, but I'm actually gonna blend in the foundation with my fingers. I know you might be freaking out at the idea of blending everything in, but trust me, you need to try this hack because it honestly allows your foundation to literally look like second skin. It also keeps the coverage as well, and it also allows the foundation to kind of warm up at your fingertips so that it looks a lot more skin-like. I feel like this foundation is like the hero, and when you pair it along with this primer, it's like the little sidekick, and then these two make like the perfect duo. For my concealer, I'm going to go in with the Armani Luminous Silk. I'm using the shade at 5.75. I really like this doe foot applicator because it's nice and thick and girthy, so you're able to get like a lot of coverage in one swipe. So I mainly like to focus the concealer in the center of my face. I like to use a brush so that the concealer stays targeted just in a certain area to keep the coverage. I find there's a lot of concealers that kind of make you look a bit heavy and crepey underneath the eyes, whereas this one does not do that. Okay, the base is looking chef's kiss. Now I'm going to go in and layer the All Nighter setting spray again. Always make sure that the setting spray is fully dried before you move on to the next step. Now I'm just going to set everything with a translucent powder. Okay, so for my eyes, I want to do something super soft. So I'm going to go in with this YSL eyeshadow. It's like a taupey kind of greyish kind of shade, and I'm just going to take a small brush and kind of take this along my bottom lash line. Gives that definition, but it just doesn't look too in your face, you know. Last hack that I have to share with you guys is to use your lipstick as blusher. I'm using this gorgeous pink Lancome lipstick in the shade 06. Oh god, how beautiful is this pink? It's literally like the perfect pinky blush. How gorgeous is that? And now I'm just going to dab this onto the centre of my lips. And then finally finishing off with one last spray of the All Nighter setting spray from Urban Decay. And that is the finished look. Hope you guys enjoyed hearing all my little hacks on how you get the perfect flawless base. All of the products that I used on my face today is available at Look Fantastic, and I'll leave all the links down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and let me know what other tutorials you guys want to film next time, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.